Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day. It's number 6, right? I think it's number 6. Let me check my phone. Yeah, it is number 6. That is crazy. I didn't start this off in the morning. I did kind of share what I did this morning as far as putting up my Christmas tree, but today was a very just relaxing day. I just worked. I filled in my planner with you all, and right now I have bacon in the oven for whatever reason. I don't know what I'm gonna make with the bacon, but I've been wanting to make the bacon. I saw it, I think it was like on Pinterest, or I don't remember, but somebody had made it with just literally bacon in the oven with avocado, and I've been trying to do the keto diet, so that seems like a delicious thing to just snack on. So I'm making that right now. So that's the plan. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and get this vlog started, and then I'll insert the footage of today since I recorded here and there, and then yeah, that's basically it. I also have to write in my petite planner. I don't know if I showed you all, but I have a petite planner from Erin Condren, which looks like this, and I have the meal planner in here, and I have not written my plans in for this week, and today's already Tuesday, which honestly, this is what last week looked like, if you can see that. So I really need to write in it for this week just to keep myself accountable and know what I at least am eating. And I wanted to look, like, as I'm writing in it, I wanted to have it with me and look in the pantry at the same time to kind of make like a meal plan with the stuff that we have here at home. Because I feel like a lot of the times, my dog's trying to get me to pet him, but a lot of the times we will go grocery shopping or we'll go buy stuff and not have like a real plan in place, so that makes us honestly have a lot of stuff left over. So that's basically what's been going on lately. So there's a lot of stuff in our pantry and fridge that hasn't been used up that could be. But anyways, so this is the start. I'm gonna try to flock it, or whatever it's called, to move all the little leaves because, not leaves, branches, whatever they're called. It always releases a lot of this stuff, a lot of the little snow, but I always have to vacuum after, so I try not to get too frustrated with it until after when I have to vacuum. But this is all I try to do. Nothing really to it, but you see, that's the little section that's not lit up. So I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. Hoping that with decorations it'll kind of get hidden. We'll see what happens. But Matthew's not feeling well, and I don't want to, get on his case about doing all that. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'm probably gonna stop this and do it on my own little by little. Finally got the ornaments from the garage, and yay, I'm so excited. Okay, time to get started on decorating this tree. I already kind of fixed it a little bit. The only thing that happened with this is that, here, let me move away. So can you tell it's lopsided? It kind of leans this way. We don't know where the little pieces are that attach at the bottom to secure it. So what I have to do every single time is put like a heavier ornament of some sort to lean it backwards. So that's what I have to do. But anyways, I'm excited to put these up. And I always start with the bigger ones. Like, these are massive and they look really small against the tree. Looks pretty cute. Okay, it really does. I'm watching Taylor King on YouTube. And the rest of the house is a disaster, but it's okay. At least the Christmas tree is up. I'm so excited. You can still see that section there, but it's fine. It's gonna be fine. It's okay. Okay, you guys, sorry if this is not like the most stable view. Okay, this is gonna be moving. Okay, and that's okay. And it's gonna be a little shaky, but I'm trying to like just go with the flow. But I have my planner here. It's like literally already Tuesday morning right now, and I wanted to update my planner. Like I wanted to write in it because I haven't done that. So it's still blank. This is what last week looks like, and I'm gonna do similar thing for this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in it. Things stay pretty much the same. I'm so sorry that my camera keeps moving, but things stay pretty much the same. Like I still have morning routines in the morning, work, breaks, lunches stay at the same time because I'm in training right now, and then just a couple things here and there, and then that'll be all that I'm gonna write in here. So I'm gonna do this and I will show you all after, because I don't think it's gonna be stable. Like I don't think my camera is gonna stay here while I record if I try doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in it now. And just before I pause this, the pen that I use is the Frixion. I think it's a 0.7. No, it's 0.5. So it doesn't focus. There it is. It's a 0.5, Frixion 0.5. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I don't know if it'll stay, but I can definitely try. So I'm watching Wednesday in the background, but I like to put my morning routine at 7 a.m. Sometimes I don't wake up that early, but I try to. I was just checking to see if I use both lines. Yeah. Okay.
What the hell did you do to my room? Regarding our room for food.
Morning routine, and I'm just gonna write that all the way across, and then I have work every single day at 8:30. So as you can see, I used these stickers last week, but I'm gonna go ahead, and since I didn't do that this week, I'm just gonna put work 8:30 to 5 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that all across, and then our breaks are at 10:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and put break. Was I putting the time? Yeah. Lunch is at 12:30. I don't even know why I wrote this. Let me actually lower this before I get demonetized again. I got demonetized in yesterday's video, but that's fine. It's no big deal. Oh, okay. Yeah, Matthew had a dentist appointment, so. And then another break. I think it's at 3:30, yeah. Move this a little bit. And yesterday we did go at 5 p.m. We went to the, it's called Lens Crafters. And then after that we went to the dollar store. And then we did get home and make stockings. And then every single day at on the last line, I'm gonna put edit vlog. Okay, apparently I'm getting a phone call. Don't know who that is, so ignore. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on every day, and obviously change things that I have going on. Like on this day I get off at 3, to go to Austin, and I'm gonna see my friend Marielle, which you'll be seeing in the vlog, so I'm so excited for that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it out and then I'll show you all the result. Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like, and then here's the second half of the week. I don't have anything on Saturday or Sunday, so I figured I could fill that in once things come up, but for now I think it looks good and I'm excited to check some things off. I need to grab my mouth liners that match this, but for now I'm gonna leave it as is because I like having the satisfaction of checking things off. But I'll go ahead and grab my mouth liner when I go upstairs later. Looks cute. I'm excited. All right, so it's so funny because I just recorded my intro, but I'm not gonna lie to you all. It's already what, 5:23, and I recorded throughout the day, and I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog so I can edit this, have dinner, and just hang out. I just want to take a nap. Tomorrow's gonna be a lot busier, so I want to make sure to be rested. So I don't know, maybe I won't take a nap to make sure that I get a good night's rest. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.